Let us see simple Mealy machine. Sharing the screen. Let us go to the simulation tool and open the Mealy machine. So first we will see what is the difference between Mealy machine and finite automata. So in Mealy machine there is no final state, but in finite automata there is a final state. In Mealy machine, transition produces output. There is no accepting and rejecting state, and Mealy machine cannot have non-determinism state. So let us see simple example. First, let us take one input, and in this input, we will take one transition. Here, input is taken as 1, but that the output will be taken as 0. And for another transition is taken. Here, for input 0, the transition will be 2. Okay. Then suppose we go to the input, and here suppose and we will make this state as initial state. There is no final state in Mealy machine, only initial state is there. Then we will go to input and run, give one input string, that is 11011. Okay. So here we will first step 1, for input 1 the output will be 0 as mentioned in the diagram. Again for same step, next step for 1 the output is 0. Again for 0 the output will be 2. Similarly for double 1 it will be 0. Next we will see multiple run. One multiple run, test one string with multiple run. So here suppose we will give one input, that is 111, and run the input. We will see 000. Suppose if we give 0 1 0, then it will give us 2002, because for 0 the output is 2 and for 1 the output is 0. Okay, so let us see the non-determinism states. For that, suppose we will take another state Q1 and Q2, Q3 and Q4. Suppose there is a transition from Q0 to Q1, and here the input is 2, for that output is 6. For Q1 to Q3 there is a transition, and for input 2 the output is 4. Again from Q1 to Q2 there is a transition, and for input 2 the output will be 3. Then again then Q4 to Q2 for 0 the output transition is 7. Then we'll take the transition from Q1 to Q4. For 5 the transition is 7, and then again we'll take a transition, that is from Q4 to Q1, Q4 to Q1. Here with for input 0 we will take the transition as 1. Then we will check the non-determinism. For that, go to test, highlight non-determinism. Here see 2 states are shown as non-deterministic state, that is Q1 and Q4. So we will delete all the states. Okay. So thank you all.